Everyone, I'm rAVe, and at this moment I'm in InfoComm 2026. I'm rAVe as a sales engineer in Gloshine. Today I'm going to introduce you an amazing product. The product is called MV Ultra, a tool-free maintenance product. The people who want to use it like as a column or cube and don't want to use any tools to make it, you can just choose this one. If you see, I want to show you something. Like first, for this one, if you want push it and twist it, and for this one, if you just push it and twist it, it will just come it in your hand like that one. So you have a 45-degree angle. You can do the same thing on the other panels, and you can make a 90-degree angle. Or fourth side, you can make a cube, or you can make it like a column as you want. So this is one of our new product for indoor panels. If you are going to need this one, you can contact with us. I'm rAVe, rAVi @gloshine.cn. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.